to show you how to control anything with your phone at your house. So there's a application called BLYNK. So this is the chip. You actually don't even need the Arduino. Yeah, I planted this here. So it's really great because check it out. Not only can you control it with two phones at once, you can turn it off. I got this relay going. So I can just do whatever I want with it at any time. This relay is a common relay for Arduinos and anything, which is basically probably Arduino because it's super common and super easy and the best. So you could be playing with another person with it right now and try to fight for the light. You can even hook up 3 more if you wanted to right now. So what we're gonna do is hook up this to my my old light here, and it's gonna have the whole thing be powered by the relay, even the powered plugs. So here it is. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh my gosh, it works. And I have more outlets inside of here. If you can see it, there's a plug socket set there. Yeah. Oopsies. Okay, so now we got another light we actually really want to use for this. This is going to be this. Oh wait, the bulb broke in this, I think. Anyways. Cut. So here's the most perfect use for this device. It would be, in my current opinion, the purpose of this would be for charging a drill that takes a long time and dies every couple days, because you could keep it off and be like, okay, I gotta work on and drill something. I could just turn it on and it would all come on, and it would just be awesome, because then I don't have to take time to go to the drill wherever it may be and then charge it for, say, an hour, in this case 20 minutes beforehand until it's done charging. And I can also put more lights on, which can mean things like somebody has been in the room or somebody is there. This is the new light that I just couldn't help but show off from Maynard's. Such a good light for 60 bucks. So this is the 8266 chip. They have other chips that are similar that are just the regular 82. For instance, that blue chip there, right here, it's also an esp8266, and it only has 4 pins. Mine is this one, and there's not as much information on it until now. So I'm gonna put the link in the code here. Here's the actual schematic if you were to do it. I just hooked up one switch, the number 1 and the number 1 to the number 1 relay. I don't have, obviously I've just got 3 LEDs where these 3 wires are leading to. Those are just the exact same, just a replica of the relay that you have or I have, we all have. So it's not confusing. This isn't anything weird. There's one wire turns it on for everyone. So this blue one and these three turn on the relay, but I just have LEDs hooked up to them right now instead, as you've seen. So I've got the one relay and 3 LEDs just for fun, and just one switch. Here, let me show you the fun part about the switch too, because it actually knows when you turn the switch off. So I can even turn it off with a switch if I was in the house and someone turned it on as a joke. You just hit the switch and then it goes off there. But if someone wanted to turn it back on as a prank or for serious matters, they just hit the button again. Or they could turn it off just before they turn it on, and then they would accidentally turn it on, and that would be funny. So here we got the schematic that I was staring at for a while that's actually functioning. So we'll go to the Arduino, and it came from BLYNK Home Automation Physical. Anyways, it's at Viral Science Creativity. Here's the website where the code is actually at, and it works. So if you can see you don't want to type it in. I'm gonna have the link. So this is actually like a super updated part. We don't really worry about it. This is what we're doing right now, and you don't worry about that. That's simple. It's all working. Don't matter. You can scan that in your BLYNK app, and it'll set up the four button system that you see me pushing on my touchscreen phone. This scan it with your app. If you get BLYNK, it will load everything right into it, ready to go. You don't have to do any button work, nothing at all. So all you do have to do though is put this code into your C++ or aka Arduino. So you'll copy all that and put it right here.